Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a circle flying paper. First, gather your materials. You'll need one sheet of standard 8.5 by 11-inch paper, which is commonly found. Also, grab a pair of scissors for cutting and a ruler to ensure your measurements are precise. A pencil will be helpful for marking your lines before you cut, making the process much smoother and more accurate for your flying paper. Now, let's prepare the paper. Take your ruler and pencil to mark 2 strips, each exactly 1 inch wide. Carefully cut these strips along the 11-inch length of your paper. Straight cuts are crucial here, as they directly impact how well your circle flying paper will perform. These 2 strips will form the main structure, so precision is key for a successful flight. Next, we'll form the circles. Take one of your 1-inch strips and shape it into a small circle, aiming for diameter of about 2 inches. Use a small piece of tape to secure the ends together. Then, take the second strip and form a larger circle, roughly 3 inches in diameter. Again, use a small piece of tape to hold it firmly. These 2 distinct sizes are essential for the flying paper's unique aerodynamic properties. For the final assembly, attach the smaller 2-inch circle to one end of the larger 3-inch circle. Use 2 small pieces of tape to ensure a strong, secure connection between them. Now, you're ready to fly. Hold the larger circle and give it a gentle toss forward. Experiment with various throwing angles and speeds to discover the best way to make your circle flying paper soar through the air. Enjoy your creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.